Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Dell Pro Max 16 driver. Okay, so first you have to come this site www.dell.com. After that, click support and driver and download. Then enter the model number of your system, Dell Pro Max 16. Then type premium. Okay, after that it will search. Yeah, so scroll down. There are two options. First, automatic means when you click check for update, so it will scan required driver install. But if you are facing some issues related only specific folder, so specific driver, so select the driver. Then click and categorize, and this is your system, and click to categorize. Scroll down. Go to mouse keyboard input devices. So this is touchpad driver. So click to download. So it is completed. Then just single click to open. Then click yes for administrator rights. Then there are two methods to install. Second is extract file to the PC and install later. Means this is first extract and then install. Okay, and first option is directly you can install. So select the first and then continue. Now it's your installing, and it might be is not support, no worry, restart and try again. Okay, thank you. But the driver is same. Yeah, thank you. And if you are facing some issues, so please comment me. I will reward you as soon as possible. Yeah, thank you.